Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Andi Fibula Febiansyah, NIM 415171100054. Hari ini saya akan melakukan packet tracer investigation, the TCP IP and OSI model in action. Objective Part 1, examine HTTP web traffic. Part 2, display elements of the TCP/IP protocol suite. Background: the simulation activity is indeed to provide the foundation for understanding the TCP/IP protocol suite and the relationship to the OSI model. Simulation model allow you to view the data content being sent across the network at each layer. The data moves through the network. It is broken down into smaller pieces and identified so that the piece can be put back together when they arrive at the destination. Each piece is assigned to specific name, protocol data, and associated with specific layer of the TCP/IP and OSI model. Packet tracer simulation mode enables you to view each of the layer and the associated PDU. The following step lead the user through the process of requesting a web page from web server by using the web browser application available on the client PC. Even though much of the information display will be discussed in more detail later, this is an opportunity to explore the functionality of the packet tracer and able to visualize the encapsulation process. Instruction Part 1, examine HTTP web traffic. In Part 1 of this activity, you will use packet tracer simulation mode to generate web traffic and examine HTTP. Step 1, switch from real-time to simulation mode. Real-time and simulation mode. Click the simulation mode icon to switch from real-time mode to simulation mode. Select HTTP from event list filter HTTP. Jadi udah HTTP, generate web HTTP traffic. Web client on the far left, click desktop, tap web client, desktop, web browser, www.osi.go. Capture forward. Sudah. Step 3, explore the content of HTTP packet. Click first colored. Kolom OSI model layer, OSI model tab is selected. Under the out layer, click layer 7. What information is listed in the numbered step directly below the in layer and out layer box for layer 7. information. The HTTP client send HTTP request to the server. What information? Oh, ini udah tadi. What the destination port value from port 4 under the outliers column. Destination portnya port 80. What the destination IP value for layer 3 under outlier layer 3. Destination IP-nya 192.198.1.254. What information display at layer 2. Information. Oh, ini nih ada apa ini? The next hop IP address synthetical process. Oh, ini di sini ada MAC address dari apa namanya source-nya, baru ini MAC address destination-nya. Klik outbound PDU. Information listed under PDU format is reflective of the layer within the TCP IP model. Note, the information is under will provide even more detailed information than is listed under layer 2. PDU data. B. Click the next colored box under the event list. Type. Only layer 1 is active. Yeah. The device is moving the frame from the buffer to the placing it onto the network. Advance to the next HTTP box within the layer event list. Click the color square box is contained in both layer. Ada layer in sama layer out-nya ada. Notice the direction of the arrow. Ya, dari layer in, layer 1, layer sampai layer 7, layer out, layer 7 ke layer 1. It pointing upward, indicating the direction of data is traveling. Click the inbound and outbound detail tab, review video detail. Di sini ada Ethernet-nya, IP-nya. Oh, comparing dulu nih, itu belum di compare. Di in layer ada layer 1 fastnet Ethernet 0. Oh, ini apa kebalikan ya, yang di layer ini tuh source port, di sini jadi destination port, begitu juga IP-nya. Jadi semuanya nge-swap. Lalu ini tadi udah ya, bisa kita lihat informasi lebih detailnya di sini. Klik the last colored box. Nah, how many tabs are displayed with this event? 1, 2, 3, 4, ada 5. Ini nggak ada layoutnya karena ini dia udah menerima informasi dari web server ya, jadi dia nggak ada outnya doang, jadi inputnya doang adanya. Jadi dia menerima semua datanya yang dikirim dari server, udah habis itu dia menampilkan, jadi nggak dia ada outputnya lagi. Part 2, display element of the TCP/IP protocol suite. In part 2 of this activity, you will use Ketresa simulation mode to view the examine some of other protocol comprising of TCP/IP suite. Step 1. Close the open video information window. In event list filter visible event section, click show all to none. Click first DNS event in type column. Explore the OC model and PDU detail tabs. Jadi kayak tadi ini cuma ada ini dong. Video detailnya, sini ada IP-nya, search IP-nya, destination IP, ini destination port-nya, search port-nya, ya. Lalu as you look PLC model tab with the player 7 highlight description direct below the layer in and out. The DNS client send DNS query to DNS server. This is very useful information to help understand what is occurring during the communication process. Click outbound detail. Put the information list in the name field of DNS query. Ini ada www.oc.local. Click the last DNS information color box in the list event. DNS, oh ini dia. Ya. At which device was DPA captured? Device-nya web client, ada di web client ya. What is the value list next to address? In outbound, DPA detail. DNS answer. What is list next to address? In DNS answer section of the inbound detail. Mana ya? Ini DNS. Klik the last information capture What is value list next to address? Blank ya. Next to address in DNS son of the inbound PDU. Find the last DNS info colored box in the event list DNS. Relasi ini terakhir, apa ada lagi? Oh, salah. Ini IP. Baru find the first HTTP. Event list, click the colors in the square and then number list direct below in layer and out layer. Put the information displayed under item number list direct. Highlight layer 4 in OSI model. Method follow for this event. TCP/IP event. Baru layer 4. What is item 4 and 5? Itu the TCP/IP connection is success. The device set the connection state to stabilize. TCP manage the connection and disconnecting the communication channel along with the other responsibilities. This particularly event show that communication channel has been stabilized. Click the TCP event. Highlight the last TCP/IP event. Highlight layer 4 OSI model. Examine the step listed in direct below. 1. Device close the TCP/IP connection to 179.168.16.245 on port 80. The device set the connection state to fin white 1. The device send TCP/IP fin plus X segment. Send segment information, the sequence number 103, the ACK number 273, and the data length 20. What is the purpose of this event? Based on the information provided in the last item in the list should be item 4. Jadi dia terminate koneksi. Challenge: the simulation provide the example of web session between the client and server on local network LAN. The client make request to specific service running on the server. The server must be set up to listen on specific port for client requests. Look at layer 4 in the OC model tab for port information. Based on the information that was inspected during packet tracer capture, what port number is web server listening on web server request? Di sini kali ya. Ini dia. What port? Nah, ini portnya port 53. Port web server listening for DNS request. Itu tadi ini kan. Tadi yang ini pertama web itu, ini port 80. Tadi itu yang DNS itu port 53. Oke, sekian dari saya. Terima kasih.